Welcome to another tech tutorial video. Today, we are diving into a common problem that developers face when working with Java foreign function and memory API. The problem at hand revolves around retrieving a Java string from a foreign function that returns a C-style char pointer, like the SQLite3_lib version function from the SQLite library. The challenge lies in converting this char pointer to a Java string without knowing the size of the char array. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. By reinterpreting the memory segment with a suitable byte size for the UTF-8 conversion, we can obtain the desired Java string. In JDK versions 21 and above, the process involves using the reinterpret method to access the specific byte size needed for the conversion. Once reinterpreted, the getGoFstring method in JDK 21 and getString method in JDK 22 can be used to extract the string from the memory segment. This method ensures a seamless conversion process without the need for arbitrary memory allocation. Continuing with our solution, we can further simplify the retrieval of the SQLite version number using the provided code snippet. By setting up the necessary symbol lookup, memory segment, linker, and method handle, we can efficiently invoke the foreign function and obtain the SQLite version string. The code snippet showcases how to execute the downcall handle, reinterpret the result memory segment with a large size, and extract the version string using the getString method. This streamlined approach eliminates the guesswork involved in determining the char array size, providing a robust solution for obtaining the desired Java string. In summary, tackling the challenge of converting a C-style char pointer to a Java string can be efficiently addressed using the reinterpretation approach within the Java foreign function and memory API. By leveraging the reinterpret method with the appropriate byte size and utilizing the getString method, developers can seamlessly extract the desired string without the need for manual memory allocation. We hope this solution helps you overcome similar hurdles in your development projects. Enjoy coding and see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your favorite programming joke.